Kate and Justin Cox, lifelong Texans, already had a teenage daughter and son when they learned last August that Kate was pregnant again. "We have 2 kids that we absolutely adore. And yes, the thought of adding a 3rd child to the family was incredible," Justin said. But a series of tests revealed that the baby girl they were expecting had trisomy 18. A genetic disease that causes serious developmental problems according to a study conducted in 2016. 9 out of 10 babies will not survive more than a year. The situation was even worse for Kate and Justin's babies. Kate said, "In the best case scenario, how much time can we spend with our baby?" And she said she was thinking about maybe a week. If she made it through the pregnancy and birth, it could take a week. And that means I didn't want to watch her suffer. That would have been very difficult. She would have had to be placed straight into a nursing home. There's no treatment that can be done. Smith, did you think that your health and life would be in danger if you gave birth? We know that most babies with trisomy 18 don't survive birth. So I could lose it at any point in my pregnancy. We also want more children. So what does that mean for future pregnancies? Kate and Justin Cox. However, abortion is illegal in Texas. Kate then contacted the Center for Reproductive Rights and attorney Molly Duane. He made it clear that this was his home, Duane said. She needed and wanted an abortion. And she wanted to have access to abortion in her community. Kate said, "I wanted to be here. Close to home. I mean, it was the hardest thing I've ever been through. I wanted to come home. Cry into own pillow. Hold my babies. Be with doctors. That's what I thought about the most going into this job." Some people on other side of the issue say, "Why don't we just deliver baby naturally and whatever happens, happens? I want more babies." Kate replied, "I talked to our doctors. I thought it was best for him. And I felt it was best for our family, too. We want to give our children siblings." Since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade in 2022, 14 states have banned abortion across the board. Texas law says there are exceptions for situations such as life-threatening physical condition or risk of serious impairment of a major bodily function. Duane believed Kate's situation fell within this exception, yes. And so does her doctor. The problem is, no one knows what that means. Major bodily function? What about a minor bodily function? Fertility, of course, counts as a major bodily function. More than 50,000 abortions were performed in Texas in 2021, the year before the bans. Last year there were only 40 people. The penalties Texas doctors face for performing abortions are steep: a fine of at least $100,000 and up to 99 years in prison. And there's more. Anyone who provides an abortion or aids or abets the provision of an abortion could potentially face a fine of at least $10,000 that could be $5